Assalamualaikum. Welcome to e-Edification. It's me उस्मान अली, your English teacher. चलिए आज के लेक्चर का आगाज करते हैं.
Dear students, today we will discuss words with letter D. Our first word is daintily. Daintily is an adverb. It means in an attractive, careful way, especially related to having small movements. Synonyms: carefully, delicately, elegantly. यानी उर्दू में आप इसको कह सकते हैं मुहतात मगर दिलकश अंदाज से. Note down the sentences. He handed round a plate of tiny sandwiches, daintily arranged in rings. She was wearing a short black dress and was walking daintily in black sandals. Dainty is its adjective. Maulvi Abul wept bitterly to see his daughter's dainty but bare feet. Next word is dispense. Dispense is a verb. It means to give something to people, especially in fixed amounts. And in Urdu, it means तकसीम करना, दे देना, अता करना. Synonyms: give out, distribute, divide. Villagers dispensed tea to visitors. Dispensing becomes adjective. It means able to supply or release a product or cash, especially of a machine. यानी जब कोई मशीन जो है उसमें से पैसे निकल रहे हों या वो कोई चीज़ प्रोड्यूस कर रही हो, तो हम उस मशीन को कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज़ डिस्पेंसिंग मशीन. जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पे एटीएम मशीन्स होती हैं. एटीएम मशीन इज एक्चुअली a dispensing machine. The card can be recharged at the same dispensing machine. Its second meaning of dispensing: authorized or qualified to make up and give out medicine. यानी वो कंपनी जो कि लाइसेंस्ड है मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए भी और उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए भी. इफ इन डाउट चेक विद योर डिस्पेंसिंग फार्मेसी और डॉक्टर. नेक्स्ट वर्ड dispute. Dispute is noun. It means a serious argument or disagreement. In Urdu, it means तनाज़ा, झगड़ा, तकरार, बहस. Its synonyms: debate, discussion, argument, controversy, contention, disagreement, and altercation. The firm is involved in a legal dispute with a rival company. And this is a word that has certain collocations, and if you have listened to my lecture on collocations, you can understand what is meant by collocations and what is their importance. So the word dispute is the word dispute has certain collocations with verbs, adjectives and nouns. Now have a look at them. Verbs collocations, kindly note them down and try to memorize them. Now its collocation with adjectives and noun. Our next word is distract. Distract is a verb. It means to make someone stop giving their attention to something. In Urdu, it means तवज्जो हटाना या भटकाना. Synonyms: divert, deflect, sidetrack, turn, turn aside, turn away, or draw away. Noise mostly distracts us from our work. Distracting becomes its adjective. Next word is dilapidated. Dilapidated is an adjective. It means old and in poor condition, especially of a building or object. It means we don't use this word with persons. It is used with building or objects. And in Urdu, it means khasta hal, टूटा फूटा या टूटी फूटी. Synonyms: run down, tumble down, ramshackle, broken down, in disrepair, shabby, battered, rickety, and shaky. We stayed in an old dilapidated hotel with a leaky roof. Dilapidation. Dilapidation is its noun. Next word is disconsolately. Disconsolately is an adverb. It means in a way that shows someone is extremely sad and disappointed. In Urdu, it means अफसुर्दगी के साथ, रंजीदगी के साथ. Synonyms: hopelessly, dejectedly, sadly, unhappily, dolefully. He sat disconsolately on his bed, looking at old photographs of his late parents. Disconsolate. Disconsolate is its adjective of disconsolately, which means extremely upset and sad, यानी रंजीदा और अफसुर्दा. Next word is delicately. Delicately is an adverb. It means very carefully in order to avoid trouble or physical damage. In Urdu, it means नफासत से, अक्लमंदी से, तवज्जो और ध्यान से. Synonyms: carefully, shrewdly, in a refined manner. Some goods needs to be handled delicately. I thought you handled the situation very delicately. Next is dank. Dank is a noun. It means unpleasantly damp and cold. In Urdu, it means गीला, तर, भीगा हुआ, लेकिन वो चीज़ जो अट्रैक्टिव ना हो. Synonyms: damp, musty, chilly, clammy, wet, moist, unaired, moisture laden, or humid. The night was dark and dank, the streets of Rome covered in a thick fog. Dankness. Dankness is its noun. Disguise. Disguise is a verb. It means to give a new appearance to a person or thing, especially in order to hide its true form. In Urdu, it means भेस बदलना, हकीकत को छुपाना. Synonyms: camouflage, conceal, hide, cover up, make inconspicuous, mask, screen, shroud, veil, cloak. He disguised himself by wearing a false beard. यानी नकली दाढ़ी लगा के उसने अपना भेष बदला हुआ था. Its noun is same, that is disguise. It remains same. Our today's last word is definite. Definite is adjective. It means fixed, certain or clear. In Urdu, it means hatmi, फैसला कुन. Synonyms: explicit, specific, express, precise, exact, defined, well defined, clear cut. The date for the meeting is now definite, and that is 5th March. She has very definite opinions.